A while ago, I've made a video talking about the Apex Trader Funding payout timeline. How long does it take to actually get paid with Apex Trader Funding from start to finish? And since I've made that video, a lot of things have changed. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys an updated timeline on how long it took me to get my payouts with Apex Trader Funding in December. And we're also going to backtrack to November of this year. A lot of things have changed. None of these prop firms use deal anymore. Everything is done in-house. So everyone's timeline might be a little bit different. And keep in mind, I'm in the US. If you're international, your timeline might be completely different. We use direct ACH transfers, so a lot of things might be a little bit faster. However, keep in mind, Apex is doing a lot of payouts, so we are good to go. And let's just dive in, show you guys how everything is going. But before we do, hit that thumbs up on this video. I appreciate that. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below as well. If you've received payouts in November or December, leave them in the comments down below. I'll be super excited to see that as motivation for me and for everyone else watching this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as I do go live every single morning around 10 a.m. Monday through Friday. So we go live, we trade, we talk, and it's a great time. So hope to see you guys there. Let's dive right into the payout timeline. First, let's talk about the most recent payout, which is the December payout, December 2023. I requested my payout on the 4th of December. All the payouts were approved in 24 hours for me, and I requested 3 different accounts at 2 different times. First, I requested $2,000 from 2 accounts around 10 a.m. I got that approved around 2 p.m., so only a few hours later. And then the 8 p.m. request got approved before the market opened the next day. So all the money was out of the accounts before the next trading day, which was great. And keep in mind, again, it's great because once the money is approved, it's guaranteed. You could actually blow the account or lose the account, and you'll still receive the payout as long as it was approved before you lose the account. You'll see the money disappear from the account when it is approved, and that's when it's actually saved to trade. And then if you lose the account, you're good to go with the payout. Then fast forward to the 15th of December, I got the payout email confirmation, and the email did say that the payout was actually sent on the 12th of December. In the previous emails, I never had the date, I don't think. So that was the first time I saw a date, and the email was received on the 15th, but the payment was sent on the 12th, according to the email. And then I was not expecting this today, but today is Saturday, the 16th, and I received the payout. So it's still pending, like it always is with the ACH transfer, but the actual balance is already reflected in my account. And again, I am based in the US and I use ACH transfers, all right? So that's why maybe I got it on the Saturday. I have no idea. I was expecting it on the Monday or maybe Tuesday of next week, but that was the timeline. So I received the payment on the 16th of December. So now let's backtrack a little bit. Let me show you guys how everything went in November. So November 20th is when I requested my payout. I requested payout for 4 different accounts. Again, everything was approved in 24 hours. But keep in mind, I've already been paid by Apex many times. So my payouts happen to be very, very fast. But when I first started getting payouts, it did take a few days to get approved. So don't worry, some people will be different. They might have to check your account individually. They might have to go into different trades if you, let's say, flip some accounts, or maybe if you're not close to your consistency rule. The consistency rule is not black and white, so if you're over 30%, maybe they have to go in and see exactly what happened. So everyone will be different, but for me, it's been 24 hours lately for all my approvals. And again, I did request my payout, which is a reminder for you guys, on my 10th day after the close. So a lot of people ask that question. Can I still get a payout if I request it on my 10th day? So after the market closes, the back page updates, and it's your 10th day. Yes, you can request the payout then. All right. So if it's the 20th or the 5th of the month, that's your 10th day trading. Once the market closes, everything updates, you'll still be able to request the payout before midnight. So don't worry about that. I've done that many times. Then just 2 days later, I got my payout email confirmation that the money was sent to my bank accounts on the 22nd of November. And then it doesn't really matter because I didn't get the money till the 28th of November. So it does take a few days to, I guess, arrive. ACH is slower than wire transfers. Wire transfers are instant or next day. ACH is free, so it takes a little bit longer. But I just simply never expect the payment until the 15th or the 30th. I don't count on it. If it gets there early, it gets there early. If not, not a big deal. And this is just a screenshot of my payout. All right, guys. So that's how it went for me last 2 months. Now, I have a lot of accounts ready for a payout. Again, I have 6 accounts that could be requested right now at this moment. And then I have 7th one that could just require $80 and then I could request the payout. So I could request another $14,000 and be for a total $19,000 in December for Apex. However, I'm thinking about holding off till January. I really am intrigued by the 80K challenge. Now, I don't count on it. I don't think it's going to happen. Plus, if you do get 80K in a month, that alone is crazy amount of money. But winning that, lottery for another 80K is very unlikely. So I'm not counting on it, but it's something to kind of push me to the next level. And I'm already 7 accounts in, right? So I have 7 accounts. I only need 13 accounts more to get to the 40K payout in January, which was my goal to begin with in early November. I did lose some accounts back a couple weeks ago, and now I'm down to just 11 accounts. However, Apex has a no minimum days on evals promo going on right now till the 27th, so you could pass an evaluation in one single day. And the discount code is Alpine, and the current discount is 71% off. So it's not the best discount, but the 1-day evaluation thing is amazing for me, because my biggest issue when I do lose a funded account is not the money that was lost. It's actually the time that was lost. The 7 days to pass an eval. Then you have to trade for 10 days. You have to time everything correctly. I mean, now I could get back on track with 20 funded accounts. Maybe I won't get to 40K payout, but at least I'll get to 20 accounts and then a nice hefty payout in January regardless. If I do decide to keep these accounts without withdrawal till January, I will pretty much not trade these accounts since they're well past 10 days and I don't need to risk anything. I might try to make 50, 100 bucks a day on these just to keep growing the cushion. But if I do get down to $2,600 on these accounts, I would have to stop trading them just to get that payout. And yeah, that's the update, guys. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up for me. And if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe. All right. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon.